Hey everyone, I'm Dawn Peterson with Vivid Homes Group at eXp Realty and a Homes for Heroes affiliate. So I just wanted to reach out to everyone as we're just in a super weird time right now. There's lots of questions and it seems like there's even more unknowns. Please understand that I am not feeding into the media frenzy. However, I do understand that everyone is just on high alert right now. And of course, everyone in the real estate industry, as well as current buyers and sellers, those preparing or considering buying or selling real estate, want to know how COVID-19 is affecting the housing market. And this is all new and we're not yet sure how to fix it, but I do have faith that everything will be okay. After all, we are America and we are the greatest country on earth, in my opinion. So in this awkward time of uncertainty, I want to continue to be a valuable resource to you. How COVID-19 can affect you as a home buyer and seller and alternative ways to conducting business. Video tours and FaceTime showings can be offered to prospective buyers in place of an open house or regular showings. This may sound strange to you, but it is actually a very common practice for relocating clients. I understand that it is not the same as walking through a home and really just getting a feel for how you would live there, but it is a crazy time and the answer is to not stop, but to keep going. And we just have to pivot and be creative. If you're just getting ready to start the home buying process, this is a great time to get pre-approved, get your finances in order, and be prepared. We can do a buyer consultation via Zoom or FaceTime. Same for sellers. We can do a listing consult via Zoom or FaceTime. You can give me a virtual tour of your home so I can give you any suggestions for preparing your home. And this is just a great time to work on those recommendations so when your home does become available for showings, it looks amazing. I am fortunate enough to be part of a fantastic brokerage, and we had a team meeting today with a doctor who currently works in the ER. And he provided us with some guidance on how to keep our clients, other agents and their clients, as well as ourselves safe during this pandemic. And some of his suggestions included things like buyers be sure to use alcohol-based hand sanitizer before and after each showing, minimizing touching surfaces in the homes. If you have a fever of 105.5 or more, stay home. Do not go. Limit who goes on these showings. Please leave children at home if possible. Please keep it only to the individuals who are actually purchasing the home. No carpooling with your agent or any others. You can wear a mask or gloves to showings if that makes you more comfortable. If you are still uncomfortable viewing a home in person, I do have the ability to FaceTime, Skype, or video chat with you and provide that same showing experience. Sellers, please consider leaving all the doors cracked to minimize buyers actually having to touch some of your surfaces. Consider limiting the number of showings at one time in a property so no overlapping showings. If you have a fever of 100.5 or more, please notify your agent. The best location for capturing your temperature is under the tongue or your armpit. Please use disinfectant wipes or germ-killing solutions to clean all surfaces, light switches, appliance handles, doorknobs, and any other handles or surfaces possibly touched by buyers. My preferred title company has also taken necessary steps to reduce risk and ensure closings are happening as scheduled. Some of the things that Bankers Title have implemented include buyers and sellers signing documents separately. When possible, sellers will sign in advance of the scheduled closing. There's ample room and space provided to keep parties a safe distance as per recommended guidelines for social distancing. They're encouraging signers only at closings. Agents and loan officers are encouraged to refrain from attending closing. There will be speakerphones that are set up so that we are able to communicate throughout the closing process. Office personnel are specifically designated to wipe down all service areas with a disinfectant wipe and appropriate germ-killing solutions. And after each closing, the chairs, tables, and door handles will all be wiped down with disinfectant wipes. Pens will only be used once and then thrown away. Again, I am not speaking out of fear. Things could change at any time, so we can only work on what we actually know today. What we do know is that interest rates are at a 48-year low right now, and inventory is still very low throughout most of the country. So if you're a buyer, you can lock in at a rate at an all-time low, meaning you get more house for your dollars. And some lenders are even allowing you to lock your rate before you have an executed agreement right now. But be sure to check with your lender to confirm whether or not they are actually offering this. If you are a seller, you have the lowest amount of competition that we have seen in years. That means that you are going to net the most amount of money, most likely in a very short period of time. During this awkward time, I encourage you to be mindful of your mental and emotional health. Please take care of yourself. Focus on what you can control instead of what you can't. Spend less time on social media and news outlets, especially if those are creating a lot of anxiety for you. You have just been given the gift of time. Do all the things that you have been wishing you had more time to do, like declutter your house, organize your kitchen cabinets, clean out your clothes closet, your linen closets, spring clean your house, get your air vents cleaned, your light fixtures, your blinds, clean your windows, get your taxes done, work out. Just keep moving your body to keep the positivity flowing. If you have any needs, please let me know. I will help you find resources and solutions. We are all in this together, so let's stay positive and keep pushing forward. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.